Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Wealthy Yoga channel. Indian yogis have been making claims about the benefits of yoga for thousands of years. Now the whole world has accepted the importance of yoga. This is the reason why it is also being included in alternative medicine systems like acupressure and acupuncture. Hast Mudra is a part of yoga. Hast Mudras are hand gestures that help direct the flow of energy to specific parts of your brain. There are different types of mudras, and each type has different benefits. Today we will discuss about 6 hand postures. Viana Madra. In this mudra, all the fingers except the little finger are joined together at the tip of the thumb. This mudra is beneficial in both thyroid-related diseases, hyper and hypo. Memory power also increases by doing this mudra. Samana Madra. A Samana Madra is formed by joining all 4 fingers of the hand with the thumb. By doing this mudra, the mind remains happy due to the coordination of body, mind, and intellect. Resolution power increases and digestive power increases. Panama Madra. For Panama Madra, the ring finger and little finger are joined with the thumb. Talking about benefits, it increases the body's immunity. Weakness reduces and vitality increases. Eyesight improves and vision defects also go away. Blood vessel blockages are removed. The weakness of paralysis goes away. Beneficial in all types of flu, swine, dengue, etc. A Panama Madra. For a Panama Madra, middle finger and ring finger are joined with the thumb. This mudra cures all the diseases related to all the organs below the navel like navel, anus, genitals, knees, calves, thighs, feet, etc. Improves sweating and cures burning sensation in feet. It is beneficial in nausea, hiccups, vomiting, and diarrhea. It is beneficial in constipation and piles. By doing it regularly between 7 to 9 months of pregnancy, delivery becomes normal and the baby is healthy. Viana Madra. For Viana Madra, the index finger and middle finger are joined with the thumb. This mudra is beneficial in both high blood pressure and low blood pressure. It is also beneficial in heart disease. It is also beneficial in sudden increase or decrease in blood pressure. The balance of Vata, Pitta, and Kapha is fine. Nasar Madra. Nasar Madra is the most commonly used mudra, used to express greetings, respect, and gratitude. To do this, spread your fingers and let them touch each other and join hands. By doing this mudra, the mind gets peace and the brain remains balanced. Anger decreases and humility increases.